What's up, new kids? It's your boy, New Kid Dre, back once again with a reaction video. My first one. I haven't ever did one, and I want to get this thing popping, you know? I'm gonna start off with looking at Delano's Lovebird Spittin' 8. I think it is number 8. Yeah, I think it's number 8. Y'all go follow him. His link gonna be in the description below. Man, just give my man some love, man. We're about to listen to this. Let's get it go.
Fuck you, nectarine. Your pussy smell like pizza dough. LOL. I think it was real funny. OLOL.
Hey, man, if I got snot in my nose, man, I'm a little sick right now.
Dot. Period.
I'm trying not to, like, let that snot fall down.
I fuck my boss to get a raise because you a broke ass nigga. Answer.
Damn.
Okay, bitch, you got me fucked up. Fuck you, nectarine. At least I can count to 5. 1, 4, 5. Suck my motherfucking dick.
This dude said 1, 4, 5.
Delano, bandana dick will always be bigger than yours because your dick look like a froze piece of rock.
I can imagine that.
You fucked up.
Froze piece of rock.
Fuck you, nectarine. Eat ladybug shit. Fried. No.
Fried?
Boiled.
Boiled?
Ladybug shit. Ya bitch. Exclamation point.
Exclamation. The way he said it. Exclamation point.
Answer.
You ain't got no money. I fucked all your friends at the same time because I'm a hoe like that. Answer. Spacebar, answer, bitch.
Whoa, who
Oh,
admit
bitch, you
that?
got me fucked up.
You ain't gonna do shit cause you
Oh, I heard the
pussy.
beat
You
coming on.
cannot even fuck pussy. So you can't be nothing more than a motherfucking pussy. Question mark, I mean answer.
Logic.
Oh, bitch, you fucked up now.
Show me, bitch. Show me, bitch.
I hate your fucking collarbone, not a place sad. Shopping there at Burlington, donkey face sad. Ain't got a booty hole, barber dog booty ass. Bacon scrabble egg with your breakfast bowl coochie lad. Everybody know you suck dick for straws. Everybody know you got shit in your drawers. Everybody know you suck Kanye West balls. Everybody know you had sex with a dog.
I hate your baby torso, midget chest ass. No getting pussy dry, there's a dick ass. You ain't famous no more.
Let the ring be going ham on these, bro.
Basketball, I
Tell
shoot
you.
door the ass.
To me, let the
Everybody
ring
know
go on
that you
everyone.
old as the fuck. Everybody know that your video suck. Everybody know that you ain't popping. You look shot, nigga, while your jaws fucking drop. You a broke ass nigga.
No, I ain't. I got money. I can prove it to you, ho.
Shit, show a bitch 100.
I can show you 200.
Why your mouth steady running?
20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Where the rest?
20, 40, 60, 80, 100. There it is.
Your dick still little, Bandiza got 1 million.
Bitch, I got 1 million. You look like a chameleon.
Every nigga wants his pussy when I walk up in the building.
Whole top head, bitch. Your
The way
pussy
her
ain't
eyes
clean.
go like
Bitch, your
this,
pussy smell
like the
like
way
a
her
fucking
eyes
vacuum
look,
seal.
they
Bitch, your
do
pussy
like a
smell like
chameleon.
potato salad and peas. Bitch, your pussy smell like a fucking bird with no wings. You ain't got no booty crack. You ain't got no pretty face. You're a
Bird with
ugly
no wings.
motherfucker. You'll never get raped. Bitch, your pussy smell like a big pack of duct tape. And your titties fall apart like them hoes double space. Bitch, your booty smell just like a Kamehameha waves. And your throat smell like some fucking aviator shades. And your body shaped like a fucking broke picture frame. You a bald head, bitch, you never had a fucking bang. You don't want this shit. I'm Delano, bitch. I created you, ho. You came from my dick. Now you on your
I ain't
knees
even listening
sucking
to
on
what
my
they
dick.
saying.
You
I'm
got a
just
big ass clit
bobbing
that
the weed,
resemble a
bobbing
dick.
to this.
Your dick so fucking small that your penis invisible. And your nutsack smell just like octopus tentacles. And your breath stank as fuck smell just like an enema. And my pussy got a name, you can call it a miracle. Your dick smell like a fucking out-of-box case. Your booty hole smell like a Planet Fitness weight. Your neck smell like a fucking soul food plate. Your underarm smell like an 18-wheeler brake. Your left nipple smell like people who in bracket weight. Your cheekbone smell like an artist who can paint. Your grandma house smell like a jailbird shank. You smell like a white man who filed a complaint. Your balls look like that thing under a rooster neck. Your dingling smell like a puppet who playing fetch. Everybody know you can't make no bitch wet. You wanna know why? Cause you got a little dick, nigga.
Yo, what's this talking about? Why he talking about that for? I ain't gonna lie. That one hard, I ain't gonna lie. The way he said she like a chameleon though, that was funny. And I like, man, Love Her Spittin', that was the first one, man. That man, that would be the best. That would be the best one to me. That will always be the best one. But to me, I think Nectarine won it all. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all think. Who won in the comment section below. guess that's it for today's video. Love Bird Spitting 8 reacting. I'm reacting to it. Well, I already did, of course. Well, yeah, man. Peace out, new kids. Peace.